Good morning, students. Welcome to New Era Global School online teaching class. This is your Devi ma'am, AVS teacher. Okay, and today, last 4 days, we are discussing our chapter number 8. Very small chapter, circulatory and excretory system. And today, we will revise our long answers. Okay. So, as you all know, long answers, it carries the 3 marks. I have written 4 points here. You can write any 3 points. Okay. So, first one, what is the first question? What is the blood? Blood मतलब क्या है? Why it is important? Name the other parts of the system to which belongs. So, इसमें 4 questions they are asked. Okay. पहले व्हाट डू मीन बाय द टर्म ब्लड. ब्लड मतलब क्या है, हम कहिए क्यों ज़रूर है. सो अदर पार्ट्स क्या है एंड वेयर इट बिलोंग्स. सो 4 क्वेश्चंस दे आर अटैच्ड टुगेदर. ओके. सो फर्स्ट वी विल सी व्हाट इज द ब्लड. ब्लड मतलब हिंदी में इसमें कॉल खून, राइट और नॉट. सो इट इज़ अ सब्सटेंस. Blood is which in color? It is red in color. Due to the presence of hemoglobin, it is in red in color. So, the blood is a substance that is pumped by the heart, okay, through blood vessels and to circulate to different substance within the body. ठीक है, what it will do? The heart will pump the blood. By means of the blood vessels, the blood will go to different parts of the body. Okay, the blood contains some substance also. Okay, so what are all the substance? The blood carries oxygen and nutrients to different parts of the body. It also carries carbon dioxide and other substance. They can be removed from the body. And it involves mainly in the circulatory system. Have you understand? I have given in point wise. So blood is the substance. It is red in color. So that is pumped by the heart through blood vessels. By means of the blood vessels, it will circulate to different substance within the body. So the different substance include oxygen and nutrients, and it also carries the unwanted materials, that is waste products like carbon dioxide. It should be removed from the body. Namely, the blood, it involves in circulatory system. Okay, so read in point wise, it will be useful to you. Okay, and then come to the second question. What are blood vessels? Describe the different type of blood vessels. Okay, blood vessels मतलब क्या है and what are the different type of blood vessels. So तो मैंने पहले बता दिया ब्लड, राइट और नॉट. ब्लड इट शुड बी सप्लाई टू ऑल पार्ट्स ऑफ द बॉडी. हु विल सप्लाई दिस? नेमली द ब्लड वेसल्स. सो द ब्लड वेसल्स आर thin tubes. How they will be? They are thin tubes. They form a network within the body and transport blood to different parts of the body. तो क्या बोल रहे हैं? ब्लड वेसल्स दे आर 10 ट्यूब्स. ओके, 3 ट्यूब्स विल बी देयर. दे फॉर्म ए नेटवर्क विद इन द बॉडी एंड दे ट्रांसपोर्ट ब्लड टू डिफरेंट पार्ट्स ऑफ द बॉडी. सो द 3 पार्ट्स आर arteries, veins and capillaries. So first, what is arteries? So blood vessel, it is one type of the blood vessels. It carries the blood from the heart to different parts of the body. Okay, so it will carry the blood from the heart and supply to different parts of the body. And then second one, veins. The blood vessels, it is also a blood vessel. It carry the blood from different parts of the body to the heart. Clear? And then third one, capillaries. They are all very tiny blood vessels. They connect the arteries to the veins. ये समझ आया क्वेश्चन क्या है? पहले व्हाट यू मीन बाय द ब्लड वेसल्स, उसका टाइप्स क्या है? ब्लड वेसल मतलब इट इज अ पतला ट्यूब है. द फॉर्म अ नेटवर्क विद इन द बॉडी and they will transport the blood to different parts of body. Three parts are there: arteries, veins and capillaries. Arteries मतलब what it will do? It carry the blood from the heart to different parts of body. Veins क्या करता है? They will carry the blood from different parts of the body to the heart. Capillaries, they are the tiny blood vessels that connects the arteries to the veins. And then third question, describe the urinary system of the human body with a neat diagram. तो urinary system के बारे में आप कुछ लिखना है and you have to draw the diagram. तो diagram carries 1 mark and the questions carries 2 mark. Okay, diagram ज़रूर आपको 1 मार्क मिलेगा. ये 3 points लिखेगा तो you will get 2 marks. Okay, it is also some big question. So first, what is the urinary system? Urinary system का काम क्या है? It will remove the waste from the body. सही है ना? So the urinary system, it is the organ system that remove the waste from the body in the form of urine. Okay, so what are all the main parts? The main parts are kidneys, ureters, urinary bladder and urethra. So these are the main parts of the urinary system. So first we will learn what is a kidney. Okay, kidneys, they are the primary organ. What it will do? It will filter out waste substance from the blood to form the urine. Okay, and then the urine are carried by the pair of tubes called the ureters to the urinary system. Okay, and then what the urinary bladder will do? It is the hollow muscular organ that collects and stores urine produced by the kidneys before it is removed from the body. तो मैं ओरल में समझा रही हूँ आपको. यूरिनरी सिस्टम मतलब क्या है? इट इज़ एन ऑर्गन सिस्टम. ये हमारा बॉडी पार्ट्स में वेस्ट को रिमूव करता है. कैसा है? इन द फॉर्म ऑफ यूरिन. इसके मेन पार्ट्स हैं किडनीज, यूरेटर्स, यूरिनरी ब्लैडर एंड यूरेथ्रा. इससे पहले किडनी, दे आर द primary excretory organ. What it will do? It will filter out waste substance from the blood to form the urine. पहले किडनी क्या करता है? हमारा ब्लड से वेस्ट सब्सटेंस रिमूव करता है इन द फॉर्म ऑफ यूरिन. तो यूरिन कहाँ पे जाती है? दे विल गो बाय द पैर ऑफ ट्यूब्स. वो ट्यूब का नाम यूरेटर्स एंड देन टू द यूरिनरी सिस्टम. एंड देन यूरिनरी ब्लैडर, it is the hollow muscular organ. What it will do? It will collect and stores the urine and before it is removed from the body. So now come to page number 91. Diagram is there. You have to draw the diagram. And then fourth question, long answer. First one, what is excretion? How do lungs and skin help in the excretion? तो excretion मतलब क्या है? The process by which the waste are removed from the body, it is called excretion. The process of removing the waste from the body, it is called excretion. So two organs are there, lungs and skin. So what the lungs will do? The lungs, they will take the oxygen and they will given out the carbon dioxide. Okay, when we eat the food is broken into smaller pieces, and then after that it will remove the carbon dioxide. So when we breathe out, the carbon dioxide will be coming outside. And then our skin, they also produces sweat. Why? To keep our body cool. It also removes the excess salt and other wastes or harmful substance from the body. Okay, this is up to your long answers. There are 4 questions are there. Very easy chapter. So long answers are not big. I have given in point wise. So maximum you write 3 points. Okay.